Hey, welcome back. So I'm recording this session after Summer 25 release. Okay, so if you create your org after Summer 25 release, and if you go to the install packages, you will see there's no package installed. Okay, that doesn't mean Omnistudio is not installed in your org. It is automatically be installed, and after Summer 25, Salesforce is reducing the dependency of your Velocity or Omnistudio packages. Okay, so do not be worried that why my package is not installed if I followed the correct steps or not. You have followed the correct steps. It is just the package is installed in the backend. It will not show as a user when you go as a system admin user. If you go and look into the install package, you will not see. But if you go to these three dots and if you search for Omniscript, you will see all of those Omniscript as objects are present here. Okay, the only thing that you need to do is you can create a application, because previously Omnistudio has its application where data raptor, Omniscript, velocity cards, all those details will be mentioned, but now I don't see that app here. We'll discuss how to create this app later part of this video. And the same thing is mentioned into the Omnistudio release notes as well. If you scroll down, like for example, recently Salesforce launched the Summer 25, right? This is the version. And if you look into the release dates, you will see there is no details on how you can download the package or how you can install it. If you look into the previous releases, here you will get option to download and install it, right? That's what I was trying to say. After Summer 25, there's no need to install those packages. But if you're using this for your sandbox or your production environment, then obviously you need these packages. You can discuss this with Salesforce if they can by default enable it after Summer 25, or you probably need to ask them to provide you a link which you can use for the installation of the package. Okay, now let's come back and create an application, because we need those tabs, right? So we will go here and we'll write applications. We'll go to the app manager. Okay, we'll simply click on new applications. We'll call it Omni Studio. Okay, as of now I'm not giving any description. You can give if you want. You can add some icons as well. And next, all those things will be native. We don't want any utility, and here you can add the tabs. For example, I wanted to add Omni script. Okay, I'll add both of them, and then data mappers and cards. Okay, so as of now I'm just adding these things. Whenever we need any further details, we'll add it. We'll simply click on save. So our tab will be created. So it is created. Now you go and click edit them, and under user profile, just select your profile. For example, I'm using system admin, so I'm selecting my profile and I'll click on save. Okay, now let's go back, maybe refresh it once, and now search Omnistudio, right? And you will get your Omnistudio where you have Omniscript, data mapper, flex cards, and other details, right? In upcoming lectures, we'll add couple of tabs here based on the requirement, and we'll start using it. One more thing that I wanted to highlight here, previously when you install a Omnistudio package or Velocity package, it comes with some existing preloaded Apex classes. Okay, those Apex classes we are going to use in future videos. Those classes also, if you go, like for example, if I go to the setup. So the thing that I wanted to say here, after this release, Summer 25 release, all the things that are previously existed, which you can see as a part of package, they are still there in your org, but they will not be visible, but they will work. For example, when in the upcoming lectures, when we use a specific Apex class, that class will not show here, but still you will see that it is working, right? So that is what I wanted to say. Okay, so that is it in this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.